Hi guys, so happy new year first of all. I don't know if this is going to be my first video for the year, but anyways, happy new year's guys. I'm a bit sick, yeah, unfortunately. I'm a bit sick and I just wanted to do this video because I had nothing doing right now. So this is going to be a foundation video, or my base, how I apply my foundation, how I contour a little and highlight a little, how I define my face then. And I am not speaking in the video. I'm going to try and do a talk over or a voiceover, but because of that noise that you guys should be hearing, I can't just talk through videos in the day, and I don't have good enough lighting to do it in the night. So I hope you guys can bear with me, and I hope you guys are enjoying your year so far, and happy 2015. And I love you guys. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed the little tutorial that I'm doing now, so you can understand how I do my face. I'll probably do a talk through video when I can another time in the future, but for now this is what I can do with the noise situation and my environment. But I hope you guys understand and enjoy. So bye guys, enjoy the tutorial. why I don't record.